Bro, do not download these apps until you watch this video. I tested 7 of the most popular apps that claim to pay you for watching videos in 2026. I use them every day for 2 straight weeks, and I need to warn you, one of these apps is secretly breaking YouTube's rules, and it could get your account flagged. Most of them paid me less than the cost of a pack of gum. But I found 2 that actually work, and one of them was so fast I thought it was glitching. I'm ranking all 7 from worst to best, and if you download the wrong one, you are going to regret it. Quick thing before we jump in, I know a lot of you watching this are in Nigeria, South Africa, India, Kenya, Philippines. So I specifically checked which one of these apps actually work in your country, because I know there's nothing more frustrating than watching a whole video and then finding out the app doesn't even work where you live. I got you. I tested each one for a full 2 weeks, minimum 30 minutes a day, real usage, real results, no cap. Alright, let's start with the worst one because honestly, this one made me angry. 2 cents, 2 whole weeks, 12 cents. ClipClaps. The idea sounds fun, right? You watch short funny videos, you earn coins, easy money. So I downloaded it, used it every single day for 14 days, and when I finally checked my balance, 12 cents. Bro, and here is the part that literally got me. The minimum withdrawal is $10. I literally sat down and did the math. At this rate, it will take me roughly 2.5 years just to cash out one time. 2.5 years of watching random clips for $10. And people in Nigeria and India have been reporting that when they finally hit that threshold, the app suddenly glitches or changes the cash out rules on them. I'm not going to call it a scam, but I'm going to call it a complete waste of your time. Delete it. But the next app is even more sketchy and for a reason you will never expect. This is the one I warned you about in the beginning, the one that could actually get your account flagged. JumpTask. When you log in, there's literally a whole section that says earn money watching videos. Finally, right? So you click on it all excited and then you read the instructions. They want you to go to YouTube, search for a specific video, watch the entire thing at 1x speed, enter a special hashtag, come back and submit proof, and for all of that work, 1 penny. 1 single cent. But that is not even the real problem. What they actually do is using you to generate fake views on YouTube videos. That is direct violation of YouTube's terms of service. Your Google account could get flagged. Your Shining, your Gmail, your Google Drive, everything connected to that account. All that risk for 1 cent. No, I don't care where you live in the world. Stay far away from this one. Now, the next 3 apps are actually legit. They do pay real money, but the amounts might humble you real quick. This one requires 0 effort, like literally 0. You just use the internet. Brave Browser is a web browser like Chrome or Safari, but it pays you in a cryptocurrency called BAT, just for browsing normally. You don't click anything extra. You don't watch specific video. You just go about your day using the internet like you are already do. Sounds perfect, right? Here is the thing though. After using it consistently for months, I earned about 70 cents. When I saw that number, I actually laughed out loud. Like I genuinely sat there staring at my screen thinking there's no way that's right. Most of browsing for 70 cents. My little cousin makes more than that finding coins under the couch. It works in almost every country. It's completely legit. Nobody's going to scam you, but let's be real with each other. This is not the one that's going to change anything for you. Real, but don't get your hopes up. But the next app actually started putting real money in my account. Small money, but real money. But it works almost everywhere. Okay, this is where things starts to shift a little. This one actually put something in my account. Givvy videos. Super simple. You watch short video hours and you earn coins. It works in Nigeria, India, South Africa, Kenya, Philippines, most countries, honestly. After 2 weeks, I earned about $1.80. Now, the cash out minimum is only 50 cents through PayPal, which is actually way more reasonable than the other trash we just looked at. But here is what nobody tells you. You are watching the same exact ads on repeat. The same car insurance ads 17 times in a row. Why? It's painful. And $1.80 for 2 weeks means you are making about 13 cents a day. That is, it's real money technically, but barely it works. Just don't expect to feel rich, and don't even expect to buy just 1 cup of coffee. Now, the top series. This is where I actually started seeing real numbers hit my account and where it gets worth your time. This app has paid out over $800 million to users worldwide. So clearly somebody is eating good from this. Swagbucks, you earn points by watching video playlists, taking surveys, completely small offers. After 14 days, I earned about $11. Now, let me keep it real. Most of that came from surveys and offers, not just from watching videos. The video only earnings were closer to $3 or $4. But here is why I still rate this one high. It's available in over 34 countries. You can cash out through PayPal or gift cards. And the minimum payout is just $3 for gift cards. $3. That is actually reachable within your first week. If you stack videos plus surveys plus offers together, you can realistically see $20 to $30 a month coming in. Not life-changing, but it's real money eating your real paper. Solid, especially when you combine everything together. Actually, real quick, drop a comment right now and tell me which app you have already tried from this list. I'm genuinely curious how many of you have been using this. Alright, let's keep going because the next one completely blew my mind. This is the one I said was so fast I thought it was glitching. I'm not even joking. Freecash. Now, I got to be fully transparent with you. When I first logged in, I couldn't find any offers to watch videos specifically. I was confused. I almost closed the app. But then, I saw an offer to download a game and test it out. I thought, okay, let me just try it. I downloaded the game, played it for about 20 minutes, came back to Freecash, and boom, the money was sitting right there in my account. I hadn't even finished exploring the app yet. 20 minutes. That is faster than any app on this entire list by a mile. I literally refreshed the page because I thought something was broken. Over the next 2 weeks, I kept doing similar offers and stack up way more than any other app on this list. You can cash out through PayPal, Google Pay, Amazon gift cards, bank transfer, crypto. They have got basically every option and it works in most countries. Now, is this technically getting paid to watch videos? Not exactly, but if you click on this video looking for real ways to earn money on your phone in 2026, this right here is the best thing I found. Nothing else came close. The number one earnings on this entire list, period. Last one. And this one literally gives you free money just for creating an account. Free money, no strings, just for signing up. Let me explain. InboxDollars, the moment you create an account, they hand you a $5 bonus. You haven't done anything yet. You haven't watched a single video. $5 just for showing up. From there, you can watch video playlists, take surveys, read promotional emails, complete offers. Over 14 days, I earned about $18 total. The video only portion was around $5 to $6. Minimum cash out is $10, which you eat fast because of that sign-up bonus doing half the work for you. Now, here is the thing. If you are in the US, UK or Canada, this one is really solid. For my people in Nigeria, India, South Africa, some features might be limited in your country. So test it first before you go all in on it. Strong option, especially with that free $5 doing the heavy lifting. Alright, so here is the real talk. 7 hours, 2 weeks. Most of them were honestly disappointing. A few of them were straight up sketchy. But Freecash and Swagbucks actually delivered. Those tools are the real ones I genuinely recommend to anyone watching this. But let me be honest with you about something bigger. These apps can put a few extra dollars in your pocket, and that is real. If you have got spare time waiting for a boss or you can't sleep at night, go ahead and use them. get that extra cash. But if you are watching this video because you actually want to change your financial situation for real, you got to think bigger than apps, AI automation, freelancing, content creation. I know people our age who started with less than what these apps pay and turn it into something real. And I actually broke down exactly how I did it in this video right here. Click it, because the difference between people who stay stuck and people who actually build something real is just one decision. I see you in that video. Let's go. What's going to be? Don't thank me. And you welcome.